Global markets were mostly higher on Friday, as investors took confidence from a Wall Street tech rally while keeping a close watch on renewed tensions in the Middle East and the Strait of Hormuz. Asian equities led the rebound, helped by gains in chip and artificial intelligence-linked stocks after Micron Technology announced plans to invest more than $250 billion in the United States through 2035. In Japan, the Nikkei 225 closed 1.2% higher at 68,557.73, after rising as much as 2.4% earlier in the session. Chip-related shares led the gains, with Sumco hitting its daily upper limit, SoftBank Group jumping more than 10%, and Advantest also trading higher. Japanese bonds and the yen also advanced after Finance Minister Satsuki Katayama said the government would explore measures to encourage pension funds, including the Government Pension Investment Fund, to invest more in domestic financial assets. Japan's 10-year government bond yield fell from a 3-decade high, while the yen strengthened against the dollar. Australian shares also recovered, snapping a 4-day losing streak. The S&P/ASX 200 ended 0.5% higher at 8,806 points, helped by gains in miners and banks. BHP rose 2.5%, while gold stocks also advanced. In South Korea, the KOSPI closed 2.5% higher, led by broad-based gains across chipmakers, automakers, steel, and healthcare stocks. But despite Friday's rebound, the index still posted a third straight weekly decline, reflecting volatility around artificial intelligence demand. India's markets were lifted by Tata Consultancy Services after the country's top software services exporter reported better-than-expected quarterly revenue. TCS shares rose after the company said annualized AI revenue had crossed $2.6 billion, helping lift the Nifty 50 and the broader IT index. Analysts, however, said a recovery in India's IT sector was likely to remain gradual. In Pakistan, the stock market also saw strong buying in the first half of trade. The KSE 100 index was up more than 1,700 points at noon, supported by gains in automobiles, cement, banks, fertilizer, energy, and power stocks. Improved sentiment was also helped by record workers' remittances of $41.6 billion during fiscal year 2025-26. In South Africa, the rand edged higher against a softer dollar, supported by global risk appetite. The country's benchmark government bond also firmed, with yields moving lower, but the optimism remains fragile. Investors are still watching the Middle East closely after renewed US-Iran tensions and uncertainty over energy flows through the Strait of Hormuz. Brent crude is set for a weekly gain of around 5%, though prices have given up much of the surge seen when the conflict first escalated. For now, markets are taking their cue from AI optimism and a softer dollar. But with oil, inflation, and global rate expectations still vulnerable to developments in the Gulf, the relief rally remains exposed to geopolitical risk.